Welcome, in front of me is a Realme C15, and today I'll show you how to go through the setup process of the device. Now when you boot it up for the first time, you'll be presented with the language select screen, so choose your language. I'm gonna stick with English, and then tap on next. From here select the region. Now this will determine also the time zone. Let's go to next. From here we have terms of service. Now they both are selected for some reason by default, so you can tap on next. Keep in mind that the second one, that you agree to some experimental stuff, is optional, so you can deselect that even though it's selected on by default. From here we can connect to Wi-Fi. Now again, this step is completely optional. The only thing that you will lose out by skipping this is logging into your Google account and also having the option to restore your device from a Google backup. So I'm gonna skip this for now. Then we have Wi-Fi Assistant. This is a fairly nice option here actually. So what it does is provide you with an automatic option to switch to a better Wi-Fi. So if you have two Wi-Fis that you have connected in the past to, that are well next to each other, for instance, as an example at work, if you're for instance, your office takes a couple floors, then you'll probably have also multiple routers, right? And if you go from one floor to another, the Wi-Fi will get kind of crappy. So this, if you check this on, it will automatically switch to the best Wi-Fi in your area. So like I said, if you go to, for instance, floor lower or high or whatever it is, and the Wi-Fi kind of drops, then it switches to the one that is going to be better on the floor, for instance. And also, furthermore, once you enable this, you have the option to switch to a mobile network. So if all the Wi-Fi in your area at the moment are complete and utter garbage, then it automatically switches you to your mobile network for the best result here. So the second option is completely up to you, I would say. If you don't have much data on your device, then you might want to keep this off. But if you have, for instance, like unlimited plan or whatever, then this probably shouldn't bother you if it's on. And let's go to next. Have some Google services, so you can read exactly what they do and deselect them if you don't want them, keep them on if you want them. And from here at the bottom, tap on accept. And then we have the screen lock, so we can choose to set up a screen lock. I'm gonna set it up as an example. So when you tap it, by default it all goes to the 6-digit PIN, but you can change the method and you have choice between pattern PIN, longer PIN, or just a normal password. I'm gonna go with a pattern, and what you want to do is insert whatever it is, PIN, pattern, password, then repeat it again, and that's it. It's now set. Then you have the face unlock. So you can also set that up if you want to. As you can see, it turns on the camera. There we go. Disregard the microphone, and well, that was kind of blocking my face. I don't think it actually will matter. Then you have the turn raised to, well, when you lift the device off, for instance, the desk, it will automatically turn on display. So furthermore, it basically then automatically also reads your face, so it unlocks it. So you can enable that or skip it if you don't want it. And then we have recommended how to update overnight and just some theme stuff. So the first one, if you want it to update overnight, then select it. If you don't, then deselect it. And then the icons, it's just completely up to your preference, which you want. I personally like the default one, so that's what I'm gonna stick with, but you can change it and tap on apply. And once you have set those two, you can go next. Import data. Now this is the option that will allow you to move all the data from an older device to this one, and I believe this method is the Realme version, which uses their app, which if your older device isn't Realme, then you will be required to download it from Play Store. And once you go or get it, it will give you a step-by-step guide on how to use it, so you can just follow that. I'm setting it up as new, so I'm just gonna tap on later. And then we have welcome when we're done with the setup. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.